Did you know that the peacock's tail isn't actually blue? Its feathers have microscopic structures that bend light, creating that dazzling color. Nature's own magic trick. Speaking of color tricks, the mandarin fish glows like a neon sign. But it's not bioluminescent. Its skin cells naturally reflect light, making it look like it's straight out of a fantasy world. And let's talk about the glasswing butterfly. It has completely see-through wings. It looks like a floating ghost in the air. But here's the craziest part. Its wings are water-repellent and self-cleaning. Now, if you think beauty means fragility, think again. The snow leopard, one of the most majestic big cats, can jump up to 50 feet in a single leap. That's like jumping across a basketball court. Which of these beautiful creatures amazed you the most?